Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to export fast on CapCut and reduce lag. If CapCut is lagging while exporting or taking a long time, here are the fastest ways to export and reduce lag. So what you need to do is once you click onto this export in the top right, over here what you need to do is you need to click under this resolution here and you need to select this 1080p instead of 4K unless you need 4K. And you need to use the 30 FPS. So over here, for the frame rate, make sure you are using the 30 FPS instead of 60 FPS. If smooth high frame rate is not essential, you need to choose a moderate bitrate if CapCut lets you adjust that as well. And what you need to do is you need to also clear CapCut cache if you have not so. What you need to do is you need to click onto this cross icon in the top right. And over here, you need to go to the setting icon. And from here, click onto the setting. And over here, make sure you have cleared the cache. What you need to do is you need to simply click onto this delete icon here and select OK. And after that, you can simply export your video and select export and it will less likely to lag and it will export fast. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.